Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Joshua A. Apollonia, LPT, and may I present to you my research paper entitled Teachers' Needs Analysis on Assessing English Grammar, the 21st Century Secondary Education Learners. Okay, so needs analysis is the foundation of the English language's different applications for specific purposes. Okay, so the purpose of assessing the student's needs is to determine how English grammar is being developed in the language classroom through reading or writing. Okay, so the student's language learning skills highlight the listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills that are categorized and measured through their grammar. Besides, these skills hold equal worth, supporting each other from learning the listening skill to speaking and reading to writing. So specifically, this paper aims to prove that the grammatical skills and the junior and senior high school English language teachers' needs assessment emphasize the students' language capabilities. Okay, so this paper sought to strengthen language research and information technology as an adequate foundation for students' awareness of the English language's vital role in various education parts. So this paper also serves as a helpful springboard explaining and rationalizing that English teachers' strategic grammar skills and assessing their needs are necessary. So the teacher's plans that best instruction following how the students will learn these language capabilities identified in the language classroom. So the objectives of the study are as follows. So it aims to determine the level of importance of English teachers' needs analysis in the students' grammar learning. And the second one is to test the significant difference in the grammar skills and the needs analysis used when grouped according to grade levels. However, the methods include the research design, which focuses on the descriptive approach on assessing the student's needs in English grammar, while the instruments used include uh, the paper adopted a standardized questionnaire owned by Brianna, 2019, to identify the teacher's grammar needs analysis importance. However, the respondents for this study were 146 junior high school English teachers and 80 senior high school English teachers for a total of 226 English teachers in the selected private and public schools in Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, that represents 100% of the total population. Data analysis includes the utilization of the correlational analysis to treat data with reference to the teacher's grammatical skills when it comes to their needs assessment, in which the selected junior and senior high school English teachers are comfortable. Okay, now for table one. So table one presents the listening grammar needs analysis used by the respondents. The composite mean of 3.62, as can be seen, generally shows that the respondents see the grammatical assessment towards listening as necessary and very important. Okay, so as can be seen here, okay, it suggests that taking notes, as can be seen on uh, rank one or number four, taking down notes. Here, it requires a reflection on learning the teachers grammar as they write down all the words they have heard. For example, students immediately write down important notes based on what they have heard from the teacher from time to time. So paraphrasing makes sense to what they hear from the teacher, encouraging learners to comprehend and recall what they have heard. So in this way, they must always try to paraphrase everything they can hear, except when the information has to be precisely noted down. Okay? While for table two, okay, so table two shows the speaking grammar needs analysis used by the respondents. Okay, so the composite mean of 3.64 shows that the respondents typically see the teacher's assessment in grammar through speaking as necessary and very important. Surprisingly, as can be seen here, there was a tie of scores on the student's needs assessment about pronouncing words correctly, okay, pronouncing words correctly, and asking for clarifications. So, an English teacher's grammatical assessment highlights the correct pronunciation, okay? Correct pronunciation, including proper verb tenses, voices, subject verb agreement, and diction. However, asking for clarifications, as can be seen on number 3, okay, about asking for clarity about a specific grammatical rule boosts the learner's interest. Okay, so the student's interest becomes fruitful once he or she asks about the topic and enhances his or her understanding of grammar learning. Okay, for table 3, okay, so table 3 includes the reading grammar needs analysis used by the respondents. Okay, so the composite mean of 3.50 shows that the respondents typically see the grammatical assessment in reading as necessary and very important. So as shown here, letting the students understand the text main point explains that the learners activate their grammar acquisition and produce grammar learning through reading. Okay, so however, the teacher assessed their needs by producing books at or near their comprehension level. For instance, students prefer reading texts about stories related to their personal experiences, interests, and curiosities. Okay, for table 4, okay, for table number 4, okay, it includes the writing grammar needs analysis used by the respondents. So the composite mean of 3.58 shows that the respondents typically identify the teacher's grammar analysis through writing as necessary and very important. For this reason, okay, using correct punctuation, okay, using correct punctuation as can be seen on number 1, okay, punctuation and spelling provides the correct spelling punctuation application necessary to begin a successful grammar structure. Okay, so punctuation and spelling affect the grammatical structure, and a simple error could change its semantic function. So the relevance of following the spelling and punctuation is to retain the meaning and message of what the writer has delivered initially. Okay, so as the student practice writing during his or her childhood, he or she already learned proper syntactic patterns, including the letter formation, spelling, and construction of the sentence structure. And of course, it acquires it simultaneously. For table number 5, okay, table number 5 includes grammar needs analysis through viewing, which the respondents use. So the composite mean of 3.40 shows that the respondents typically see the grammatical assessment as important. Initially, viewing pictures, tables, maps, and charts indicates that for secondary learners, using immediate or using images to portray grammar is relevant to enhance the student's creativity. However, using pictures to determine the connection of structural patterns in English gives the readers clues to apply metacognition, or what you call the thinking or thinking about thinking. Okay, so it enables them to learn by themselves and intensify their thinking and grammar skills by carefully analyzing pictures. For example, a student realizes the function of grammar as he or she himself or herself, how to determine how it is being applied by viewing and analyzing specific sentences or paragraphs on graphs or charts. Okay, to sum it all up, so table 6, so the item that topmost was grammar needs analysis through speaking with a composite mean of 3.64, which was verbally interpreted as very important. And the last one was grammar needs analysis through viewing, having a weighted mean or a composite mean of 3.40, as shown before, having a verbal interpretation of important, having a total composite mean of 3.55 with a verbal interpretation of very important. Okay, now for table 7, it compares grammar needs between the two groups of respondents. Okay, so the result revealed that grammar needs through speaking with the p-value of 0.008 and writing with a p-value of 0.006 was less than the alpha level of 0.05. Thus, the first null hypothesis was rejected. Okay, so it suggests a significant difference observed, and based on the test, it was identified that senior high school teachers consider grammar needs in speaking and writing more important. Okay, so to conclude it all up, grammar needs using speaking skills are most important, while the viewing skill is the least important in grammatical needs analysis. Also, there was a significant difference between the grammar skills and needs analysis used when grouped according to grade levels. So senior high school teachers have more substantial assessments on teaching grammar through vocabulary, speaking, and writing. Furthermore, senior high school teachers also consider grammar needs on speaking and writing as more important. So for the recommendations, the teacher may assess students' grammar needs based on their comprehension level by maximizing different forms of instructional materials related to the students' viewing skills to develop their grammatical competencies. And the last recommendation is junior high school English teachers may improvise their teaching strategies and grammatical needs assessment to increase their grammar learning and language acquisition. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.